Namaskar, welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, I am going to give basic functions of NABARD. Already you learned about establishment of NABARD, its organization, objectives in the previous video. Functions of NABARD can broadly be classified into different classes. They include financial, promotional, coordinating, regulatory and other functions. NABARD is an apex bank, therefore, it performs different varieties of functions. The financial functions are very significant of all. The objective of NABARD, if you recollect, it is to develop agriculture sector through organized supply of credit. Therefore, credit functions are important. As an apex institution, of course, it undertakes coordinating and regulatory functions also. Credit functions. Framing policy and guidelines for rural finance, providing credit facilities to all eligible banks, monitoring flow of rural credit, preparation of annual credit plans at district level are the basic outlines of the finance functions of NABARD. NABARD, remember, NABARD is an apex institution. It cannot lend directly to the farmers, traders, artisans, etc. It has to provide all services through some institutions, usually they are regional rural banks and cooperative banks. What are the various ways of finance functions? Refinance for production and marketing. NABARD provides refinance to SCBs and RRBs to and also other institutions approved by RBI for marketing of agricultural products and for distribution of inputs of agricultural products and other activities. To meet the marketing needs of artisans, small and tiny industries also included here. NABARD grants different loans to SCBs if the loans are guaranteed by the government. It means when in times of need, state cooperative banks are given additional loans only with the guarantee of the government. That is the meaning of this. Then rescheduling of loans, especially for artisans, small scale industries, tiny industries, village and cottage industries, handicrafts, etc. And of course, one more thing is that NABARD always it is authorized to guarantee, because remember that it is an apex institution, coordinates all the other banks with the permission of RBI, and it gives guarantees for deferred payments of purchases made by cooperatives, and it gives both long term and short term loans. And then medium term loans and long term loans are meant for developmental programs. Then medium term loans are usually given for 18 to 7 years, and long term loans are up to 25 years. Medium term loans are given for minor irrigation projects, land improvement programs, etc., whereas long term loans are for development of allied activities, farm mechanization, etc. Small scale industries, small business units are also eligible to obtain long term loans from cooperative banks and regional rural banks under this head. Of course, all these are through only other banks. NABARD cannot give directly. Then development and promotional functions. NABARD offers several functions, like it helps RRBs and cooperatives in preparing action plans, provide financial support for training institutions of rural banks, provide all kinds of support for HRD programs, especially for advanced technology, undertake national and international projects. NABARD is very much associated with the implementation of several international projects of IDA, that is International Development Association, World Bank, etc. And with regard to the national level projects, some of the government schemes it undertakes, like Swarna Jayanti Grama Swaraj Yojana. Swarojgar means self-employment. Under this scheme, rural poor are selected and provided them with credit facilities to undertake any economic activities that generate regular income for them. Its aim is to upliftment of poor people from below poverty line, and then it provides grants for those agencies which are giving skill training, technical skills and marketing skill training to women entrepreneurs, self-help groups, and NABARD is supporting largest network of self-help groups in India. It coordinates the activities of different institutions so that overlapping will not be there. it sees that there is no duplication or overlapping. And with regarding other developmental services, the bank concentrates its efforts in strengthening the credit delivery system of cooperatives, and it makes that the credit should be very productive. And then bank developed pilot projects to improve quality of supervision, system of post loan follow up, because previously then nobody did it. Post loan follow up is very important, especially in rural areas, and the aim of this function is to motivate the borrower to utilize the borrowed amount very in a useful way. So, the role of NABARD is multidimensional for the integrated development of agriculture and rural sector. That is all in this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you.